This is a brand new 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 5.3-liter V8, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include the entertainment package, a navigation system, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, a limited slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: Chevrolet MyLink, a smartphone adapter, chrome wheels, leather seats, rear curtain airbags, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, dual power seats, air conditioning with automatic climate control, a pass-through rear seat, and XM satellite radio, which streams commercial-free music, news, sports, and more. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.